Hello and thank you for viewing in. I'm broadcasting through my new GoPro Hero 12 Black, sending positive vibes your way. Choo-choo.
Sorry for bothering me.
Oh, you're fine.
You mind if I introduce you for a good 15 seconds of my youth program, sir? I could ride out like down here. Like, it's so fun. Like at this one dealership, they had like let us ride it one time. It was so fun. I could ride it around here.
Oh yeah, it's so much fun, dude. No gas, no insurance. No, this is a solar eclipse. Yeah. You want to try it out?
Yeah.
Okay, you're not gonna take off, are you?
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no, like I still hold
Oh yeah.
Hold my
Okay.
phone.
Just be careful though.
Yeah, okay. Hold my phone so you don't think.
Yeah.
See, Wheels Event, subscribe to you.
Okay, right on. You got a YouTube channel?
On me?
Yeah.
No, I don't have a YouTube, but I have YouTube.
Okay. Okay, so
So how fast you think
they go 60 miles an hour. There's Eco that goes to 27, and then Sport goes to 60.
Really?
So I'll put it in Eco for you.
Alright, so
Yeah,
this
and
is
then-
the back brake,
That's the front brake,
back brake.
back brake. Got your regen braking here, so to slow it down, and then you don't have to use so much front brake or brakes.
So like I could just press both of them at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just don't crash.
Or I could just like take it down the street and then come
Oh yeah,
back?
for sure. You got your blinkers, left and right as well. Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Damn, this
Wow.
make it.
Oh, dude.
You almost just got it.
Yeah, be careful, bro. Be careful.
Alright,
Yeah.
just one more time and we go.
Just dude, I went 150.
All right, just be careful, man. Be careful. You want me gloves,
have
helmet?
one
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
It feels great.
Oh yeah, it does. It does.
Here he comes.
Here it comes, right on.
Who's track time?
It's nice to just cruise right on
Thank
Friday.
you so much for trusting.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
What's your
That's
YouTube
what
channel?
I think.
At Visionary Vibes 444. There.
So how old are you guys?
Oh, thank you.
Absolutely.
Hit you with a subscribe.
Got 102 now. Thank you.
It's 103.
103. Wow. Okay. It's the amount of money I've saved with no insurance and no gas. It's worth it.
Yeah. I mean, all you really gotta worry about is like electric, just charging it.
Definitely.
So like, can you start it like without the key?
No. They,
Or like it has to be close to it?
oh, yeah. So you press this twice, like
Oh,
in the
it's
middle.
like an automatic start.
Yeah, then it'll turn on. Very quiet. Some of the problems I've had with it, like they sent me a new controller, and then so the seat comes off, the controller's in there. Then they told me to take this orange wire and there's an on-off switch to put both wires in there and screw it down, and then it worked. 'Cause it was down for a while. But there's somebody I recommend. He's in LA and he goes live, and he's on the Surron.
Surronster?
No, I know him. Surronster. John Hicks.
John Hicks.
John
Oh,
Hicks, yeah, he's really good. It's a good hobby, you know, something to do.
Yeah.
Be creative.
I mean, like, I would love to get one. But
Yeah.
It's like, just like the price.
It's so economical.
Yeah.
I'm surprised more people don't have it. But I first bought a bike from Target, $399, and then just rode it until the wheels came off. And that inspired me to get this.
Oh, did it have like pedals, or was it like this?
Yeah, it did have pedals. Yeah.
Or like you would still be able to pedal, like help the battery out.
But like with I've had to walk this like 9 miles before. Yeah.
Oh. Okay, it died on you?
Yeah. Solar, they sent me a battery, and they're like 22,700 battery cells, lithium ion. That's a lot. And so you charge it over here, right here. You can adjust the rear suspension. So based on your height and weight. The mirrors definitely come in handy. Having a camera kind of makes you feel a little bit better, you know. And then they also have an app as well. I can show you that. Yeah. Solar Motors app. There it is, right there. So you can connect Bluetooth. It's more the diagnostics of the bike.
Oh, okay, okay.
Like change the settings. So scan, connect to Bluetooth. Something also you can put in reverse too. Yeah, yeah. You can back up. Advanced settings. That's what made my bike work after it was not working for a while. So you can do electronic brake. And so that's why. Like I could ride probably longer than 70 miles because it's just the regen brake just keeps going. Like in Eco, you could just ride on the sidewalks or in the bike path and just go. You're free.
Take it on like the roads.
Oh yeah, just not the highway.
I mean, you could go on the highway, but like not really safe, right?
Yeah, especially around here, like it's speed.
Hectic. So a lot of traffic.
So you guys are from Orlando?
Yes, sir.
Are you around the city area?
I'm more say like around City Walk area.
Okay, so this would be perfect for inner city. Like I think it's what it's really designed for. And the way to do wheelies, you cut this brake, and then apparently I haven't tried it, but you have to get through the light here, and that's where all the electronics are. So it's a really educational experience.
I think we got to get going, try to raise some money.
Okay, right on. Good cause.
Really nice.
Great time.
Nice to meet you.
Happy Friday.
Have fun with the bike, man.
All right.
Oh wait, so you got this for like 4,000 or something, right?
No, it's 6K.
Dang.
6,000, yeah. And I think the new ones are even more. But they have different features, like a better pad here and stuff. So it might almost be worth it just upgrade to the 2.0. I mean, it's a good goal. All right, take care.
If I have something like this, I wouldn't mind talking to nobody. I'll just be riding this all the time.
Yeah, because people are interested, like especially in this economy with inflation and
Yeah,
high
I'm
prices.
interested.
Yeah?
I want that one.
It's a good investment for sure.
Nice day, man.
Yeah, you too. Peace.
And I have a couple of them, so if I get more, I can get more. Let's put you on the Wi-Fi.
Hey, how's it going? Look at that sunset.